My driver is doing such a lovely job. Hey y'all, it is your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. Leah's looking at me like, girl, what you talking about? So I did like a thumbnail. I was practicing thumbnails and for like a week in my life aesthetic thumbnail. But then I was like, I asked my TikTok mommy friends, should I do weekly vlogs? And they said yes. I don't think my life is that interesting, but we'll check it out. So today is Monday. So I'm gonna do Monday to Sunday, and then I'll upload them on Mondays. I overslept. I don't know. Since I've become a mom, like I feel like I'm always late to something. It's insane. Like if it's nothing that involves me making money, I'm not on time. But I try to be on time. I overslept, and our daughter has. Oh, say hi, Daddy. So we late. What time is it? You know, do y'all, the daddies, do y'all child's father? They move so slow, like they have no sense of urgency. Because I swear he doesn't have none.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like he see that we running late, and he just moving.
I don't know what time.
I told you 12 since last week, bro.
Last week, but it was 11:50.
When I woke up, it was 11:19. I was like, oh my God, please hurry up and get her dress.
Too late now.
So we late. What time is it?
Big late. 12:10.
It's 12:10, and she's supposed to be at therapy at 12. Now I am at Walgreens. We need some tissue and paper towels, so that's what I'm gonna get. I always get it from here because it's always on sale. You see, on sale. My driver is doing such a lovely job. Don't you agree, Marcus?
I always drive good.
He's probably like, girl, what else you gotta go? That's why he say that's the reason why he don't like to go nowhere with me, because I always have more than one stop. But you driving, I might as well do all the errands that I gotta do anyway. So
It's the end of the line. Last stop.
yeah, he said, okay, that's it. Y'all, I don't drink soda that often, but when I do, I savor it, because I be breaking out as soon as I drink a soda. So yeah, you want water? You want me to open it? Open? Yeah, open. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open it for you. Hey, you breaking out on your face again? She always breaking out. It's always something from school. Do y'all kids always get sick from school or come back with a little rash or something? It's kind of annoying. To head home now, and we just gonna chill. I'm not cooking today. We eating leftovers. What you mean what? You didn't even eat yesterday. He was out with his friends all day, so he didn't even eat what I cooked. So yeah. So we're gonna have leftovers today, and we're gonna watch Power. Kanan. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna have some little time today. So yeah, that's gonna be it for right now. If I do anything else later, then I'll pick up the camera. But other than that, this is Monday. Okay, my brother cooked, so I guess I'll give him the ball, and this is the food. But he is leaving now. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. There go Daddy-O over there. So I'm home now. I had to change my clothes. So I am about to cook. Malia is at school, but he's about to go like in an hour to go get her. I am about to cook some steak, potatoes, and broccoli. I should have had some shrimp, but I didn't go to public because I'm trying to upload at least 3 times a week. So Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, I think is going to be my ideal schedule.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
So this is how it looks, guys. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I just made potatoes, steak, and broccoli with some cheese. So now I'm about to relax, edit a YouTube video, and try to fix these camera settings on this camera. And just relax. And then about 4 more hours, it'll be bedtime routine. Usually what I do before I go to sleep is clean the kitchen. I don't like no dirty kitchen. I can't go to sleep with dishes in the sink, so I'm cleaning. But I'm also trying to get my pantry together. I'm recording off of my phone right now because my camera, the settings is looking all orange and stuff, so I gotta fix that. I gotta find a video on that. But I'm about to do my pantry and try to see what I need. So let's see how this goes. So this is everything. So I feel accomplished already. I did my first container. I got these labels here from when we moved here, but I don't even know, does it have pretzels on here?
2,000 years later.
Oh, pretzels. I found pretzels. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks so far, and I'm loving it. I gotta get more containers, but which I'm gonna get tomorrow. But this is already given. It's giving what it's supposed to give, honey, and I love it. I love it so much. Oh my gosh! If I'm being honest, like this stuff I never thought I would be doing, but doing it now, like, it saves so much space. And our apartment don't have a pantry, so like I use a cabinet for our pantry per se. But taking this stuff out of its original container and put them in containers, it's already saved a lot of space. And this I can get with. So I just gotta get like 2 more containers, and then my pantry gonna be set. But this is amazing. I love it. I love it already. Go. Hey y'all. Set. Go. Hey guys, it is Wednesday. So we had a busy morning. Go. So we just left therapy, now taking her to school. And then after dropping her to school, I'm going to sleep. But I have to stop to Aldi's. What? With you, baby. Hey y'all. It is Thursday. I'm so sleepy. I didn't go to sleep till 4 o'clock in the morning. And I had to be right back up at 8 o'clock, and I woke up late. I woke up at like 8:20. And my daughter had to go to therapy and school, so I dropped her and did all of that. But now I am at Sam's Club. This Sam's Club, the parking is always bad. I just park in the back now because parking up there is like insane. But I'm just going in here to get some shrimp and some chicken from Sam's Club, and I may get some juice. I'm tired of buying juice because the juice be gone in freaking one day. We about to start drinking water a lot more. I just realized I walked inside of therapy and dropped her to school with my hair looking like this. Like, I guess this is just mom life. Oh well. So yeah, let me stop rambling. Let me go inside Sam's Club really quick because it's 10:30. I want to be out of here at least no later than, what's 30 minutes? So 11:05, because I want to sleep I want to sleep at least 2 to 3 hours because I am sleepy. I really need to take these braids out because look at the new growth. And that's all Erica J butterfly growth oil. And my cousin growing hands. Good morning. Happy Friday. Y'all, I am not a morning person whatsoever. And my daughter isn't one either. I am making breakfast. My stomach is growling. I'm not a morning breakfast person. Yeah, what is that? What's that? Cow? What does cow say? I made some shrimp and grits. I just gotta make the grits and then we're gonna eat. Give her some elderberry. And then I'm gonna take some myself. See, I'm already sneezing. Hope you can hear that. That is the laundry. So, laundry started. I took a nice nap, like a 2-hour nap. It was so quiet, so I got up. I'm not used to quiet because my daughter isn't here. So now I'm about to clean the kitchen and clean the whole house. Again, I usually clean during the week. I like that, but because I guess growing up cleaning on a Saturday just irritated me, so I always clean during the week, and then of course I just upkeep it. So I just reorganized the cabinet a little bit because it was driving me insane. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean and hopefully I remember to record everything that I'm doing. This air fryer, y'all, I have to clean it. I bought this because I seen it on TikTok, Barkeeper's Friend, because this air fryer, y'all, I haven't even had it for a month and this thing looks crazy. Hold on, look. Like whatever material this is, clean it every time, but it still looks like this. So hopefully it works. So I got that, and then I got some steel wool pads. So I hope it comes out because I don't like the way that look. Like it's not giving, and I hate it. So hopefully it comes out.
Take you back from your side to side. Like that, like that. No, left, right. Take you back from your side.
Y'all, that thing works wonders. Okay, it's not completely all the way off, but most of it is off. And that thing was a mess. So I love this stuff. So y'all go get y'all some. Yes, this is the best thing ever. Trigger when I see your face. Trigger when I hear your name.
Take you back from your side to side. Like that, like that. No, left, right. Take you back from your side to side. Like nothing feels better than this. Nothing feels better. Nothing feels better than this. Take you back from your side to side like that.